Whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone and you want to delete a Fiverr gig, consider how to stay tuned to this video and see how to simply delete Fiverr gig on your Android phone or iPhone. Let me show you how. Open up your Fiverr app. Click on your profile icon from the bottom right here. Scroll down right here. Click on manage gigs. Then here you go. At this point here, go ahead and select a particular gig you would like to delete. So I'm going to use this as an example. So all you have to do is to click and hold down. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this trash icon. And this is going to pop up right here. Are you sure you want to delete this gig? Go ahead and click on delete right here. So go ahead and click on delete. And boom, the gig will be deleted. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.